Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to give you a solid review on Real Rush. Is Real Rush app legit or a scam? The Real Rush app developed by MobileLink, the MobileLink Tech is a mobile platform that allows users to earn small amount of money by watching short videos, playing mini games and completing daily tasks. As of May 2025, the app has garnered over 1 million downloads on the Google Play stores and holds a 4-star ratings based on approximately 9,500 reviews. Now here in Play Store you can find it has just increased like 4.3. So let's talk about the legitimacy and the payouts. Many users have reported that the Real Rush does pay out, especially for initial earnings. For instance, a Reddit user mentioned receiving a $10 payout after about 8 days of daily tasks, noting that the funds were received immediately. Similarly, a reviewer on the Google Play Store confirmed that the app pay but once you received $10. Here is concerns and drawbacks. Despite the legitimacy, there are several concerns to be aware of slow earnings. Users have noted that while the initial $10 is attainable, then subsequent earnings become progressively slower. One Reddit user stated that over time, I believe this app becomes less worth it. App performance. Some users have reported that app is slow, not users friendly, and a Google Play reviewer mentioned that the app itself very slow. You have to scroll just a certain way or it won't. Questionable ads. There have been reports of disturbing advertisements associated with the app. A Reddit user described an ad featuring inappropriate content, which raises concerns about the ad's ad partners. Payment issues. While many have successfully received the payments, there are isolated incidents of payment completion. For example, a user reported a situation where a payout was sent as a business transaction, leading to issue with their PayPal account. Here is a summary about Real Rush, legit or scam. So let's get on the track. Real Rush appears to be a legitimate app that pays users for engaging with content. Earning potential. Expect modest earning. The app is unlikely to provide substantial income. User experience. Mixed reviews regarding app performance and ad content. Payment reliability. Generally reliable for initial payouts, but some users have faced issues with subsequent transactions. So here is the final verdict about Real Rush. Real Rush is a legitimate app for earning small amount of money through content engagements. However, users should be cautious due to potential issues with app performance, ad content, and payment process. It's suitable for those looking to earn a bit during their free time, but not recommended for those seeking substantial income. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.